So guys, so I just received my order from TEMU now, so we're going to unbox it to see what is inside the bag, to know what I ordered versus what I got. So this is my teleprompter that I ordered from TEMU, so we're going to unbox it. This is my puzzle game. It's prompt dollar that I ordered from TEMU, and this is my live sound card. So let's unbox this. This is used for entertainment purpose. This is not the real dollar. This is the puzzle game. So I ordered two. This one, I don't know if I can be able to fix this. So we are going to try if I can be able to fix this. If not, I'm going to give a bad review on this one. Then this is my live sound card. It came with this wire, type C cord. Came with this other wire also came with this, so it has two. Then this is the sound card, so we are going to test it to see if it's going to work. So this is the teleprompter that I ordered from TEMU. This is the manual of the teleprompter, and this is a wiper to clean the teleprompter. This is the teleprompter, so we are going to set it up. I think this is big, so we are going to set it up. And this is the remote. This is the remote of the teleprompter.